There's no question that ortho braces are a kid's game. My daughter wears braces. Most of her friends do. I'm Alan Roach, and I, too, have been in an orthodontist office for the last few months. I'm wearing braces. No one can see them. And best of all, my front teeth are straight for the first time in my life. Bobak Ortho, Dr. Wojtek Bobak. It's a great office. I recommend Dr. Bobak if your son or daughter is at that age. They'll love the office. It's made to entertain kids, but it's just as pleasing to adults. The TV's positioned just perfectly everywhere. That's a nice touch. Dr. Bobak's office is south of Belmar at Jewel and Wadsworth. He also has a nighttime office in downtown Littleton. Always a no-cost consultation, and Dr. Bobak will throw in free diagnostic x-ray if he knows I sent you. I wear braces. Like I said, I pay by the month, and he doesn't charge interest. I'm thrilled to have met him. Orthodontics are for kids, but made adult-friendly at Bobak Ortho. B-O-B-A-K, BobakOrtho.com, 988-0844. BobakOrtho.com.